Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chapter number 4, Algebraic Expression and Algebraic Formulas. First we have to discuss formula. Before going to solve exercise 4.3, we have to use this formula in exercise 4.3. Formula number first, which is we have already familiar with that. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And formula number third, a minus b and 2 a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Formula number 4, a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Formula number 5, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 and 2 a square plus b square. ये ज़हन में रखने, ये फार्मूले हम एक्सरसाइज 4.3 में बार बार हम यूज़ करेंगे, स्पेशली फार्मूला नंबर 4 एंड फार्मूला नंबर 5 हम यूज़ करेंगे. Exercise number 4.3, question number 1, find the values of x square plus y square and xy when x plus y is equal to 8 and x minus y is equal to 3. Now using formula number 5, which is in the form of a, b, but here in the form of x and y, which is 2 into x square plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square plus x minus y whole square. Now after putting the values, we get 2 into x square plus y square is equal to 8 square. In place of x plus y, we put 8 and x minus y is equal to 3, so 3 square. 8 square is 64 plus 3 square is 9, that is equal to 64 plus 9 is equal to 73. Now we have to find x square plus y square. 2 multiply with x square plus y square, so divide both sides by 2, we get 73 divided by 2. Now using 4xy, which is equal to x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square, which is formula number 4. After putting the values, we get 8 square minus 3 square, 64 minus 9, which is equal to 55, and divide both sides by 4 because we have to find xy only, and 4 multiply with xy, so xy is equal to 55 divided by 4. Next question number 2, find the values of a square plus b square and ab when a plus b is equal to 9 and a minus b is equal to 1. Here we also use formula number 5. This is related with question number 1. 2 into a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. After putting the values, at place of a plus b we put 9 and at place of a minus b we put 1. 9 square plus 1 square is equal to 9 square is 81 plus 1 and 81 plus 1 is equal to 82. Similarly, 2 multiply with a square plus b square, we have to find only a square plus b square, so divide both sides by 2, we get 41. Now using 4ab, which is equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, which is formula number 4, putting the values, 4ab is equal to 9 square because a plus b is equal to 9 minus 1 square because a minus b is equal to 1. 4ab is equal to 81 minus 1. ab is equal to 80 divided by 4. We have to divide both sides by 4 because 4 multiply with the ab, and this is equal to 20. Question number 3, if a plus b is equal to 10 and a minus b is equal to 6, then find the value of a square plus b square. Given a plus b is equal to 10 and a minus b is equal to 6, again by using formula number 5, 2 into a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. आप देख सकते हैं क्वेश्चन 1, 2 एंड 3 तीनों में हमने फार्मूला नंबर 5 और फार्मूला नंबर 4 यूज़ कर लिया. बार बार ये रिपीट हो रहे हैं, सेम एक जैसे क्वेश्चन है. 2 and 2a square plus b square, after putting the values, 10 square plus 6 square, 10 square is 100 and 6 square is equal to 36, which is equal to 136. Divide again both sides by 2 because 2 multiply with a square plus b square and we have to find only a square plus b square, so get 68. Question number 4, find the value of 4xy when x plus y is equal to 17 and x minus y is equal to 5. Given that x plus y is equal to 17 and x minus y is equal to 5. Again by using formula number 4, 4xy is equal to x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square. After putting the values, 17 square minus 5 square. 17 is the value of x plus y and 5 is the value of x minus y. 17 square is 289 minus 5 square is 25. So subtract both, we get 264. Question number 5. If x plus y is equal to 11 and x minus y is equal to 3, find x 8xy and x square plus y square. Given the values, x plus y equal to 1 and x minus y is equal to 3, formula number 5, 2 into x square plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square plus x minus y whole square. After putting the values, we get 11 square plus 3 square which is equal to 121 plus 9, and that is equal to 130. Now using 4xy and 2x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square, which is formula number 4. After putting the values, 4xy is equal to 11 square minus 3 square. 11 square is 121 minus 9, which is equal to 112. Now multiplying equation 1 and equation 2, we get 4xy multiply 2 into x square plus y square is equal to 112 multiply 130. Multiply left hand side with left and right hand side with the right hand side. Then we get our required result, which is equal to 14,560. Last question is question number 6. If u plus v is equal to 7 and uv is equal to 12, find u minus v. Given that u plus v is equal to 7 and u is equal to 12, using u minus v whole square is equal to u plus v whole square minus 4uv. This is formula number 4, which is written in the different form. Putting the values, u minus v whole square is equal to 7 square minus 4 into 12. 7 square is 49 minus 4, 12 fours are 48. Subtract both 1. We have to find single u minus v, so taking square root on both sides we get plus minus 1. Thanks. God bless you all.